Hello dear friends, I hope you are all well. In this video, you will learn about how to earn money online without investing any money. The website I am going to talk about is 100% legit. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and click on the link in the description and follow up the video for step-by-step procedure. If you are a new user, you will have to create an account first. After completing the registration on this website again, enter your username and the password. After signing in, you will see some of the currencies that you can earn by this website like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, etc. etc. To start earning, first of all, you will have to click on the deposit. Now click on any of the deposit address of the currency. This way your desired address will be copied. Now open the other link from the description, which is called Arena Space. Scroll down and click on any of the currency that you have to earn. Only Tron, and then scroll down, paste the link here and click on the 50% bonus. If you click on 50% bonus, you will earn 50% more of this. Now wait for 7 or 8 seconds and click next. Then click on I am not a robot and continue. Your link is almost ready. Wait for 6 minutes. 4, 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Check the link. Now scroll down. You will get 50% extra when you claim. So now click on the claim. Here we go. Click on I'm human. Click on whatever is asked here. Now click on claim. Click this in order. Yeah. Wait for 2 seconds. Get reward. And new tab will be open. And you have earned these satoshis of Trons. Now you can open the FacetPay website and see that you have received the same currency that you were trying to earn minutes ago. You will be worried that the amount that I have earned is not enough when it is converted into dollars, but don't worry about that because you have to only earn the coins. If you earn the coins and the price of the coin is increased, your payment in dollars will also get increased, and then you will know the actual meaning of earning the coins. Now the second thing is how to withdraw this money. You will click on the withdraw, scroll down. If you want to normally withdraw this money, you will have to wait for 4 hours for this. And if you want to withdraw this money urgently, like in 5 minutes, then you will have to pay much more fees for this. Just I will show you a demonstration, like withdraw the Dogecoin. Will have to pay much more fees for this.